Hey there, fellow budget travelers. Welcome to another exciting episode where we help you explore the world without breaking the bank. If you're itching to explore the world without emptying your wallet, you're in the right place. Traveling on a budget is not only possible but can also be incredibly rewarding. Today I'm sharing the top 5 websites to help you plan an amazing trip on a shoestring budget. These resources will make your travel planning easier and more affordable. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got Skyscanner. This is a must-have tool for any budget traveler. This gem is a flight search engine that scours the web for the best deals. It compares prices from various airlines and travel agencies to find you the cheapest options. Just pop in your travel dates and destinations and Skyscanner will do the rest. You can even set up price alerts to get notified when prices drop. They even have an everywhere option if you're open to any destination. This feature is perfect for those who are flexible with their travel plans and want to go wherever the best deals take them. Perfect for the spontaneous traveler. You never know where you might end up. Next on the list is Hostelworld. This site is a lifesaver for finding affordable places to stay. If you're looking for affordable accommodations, Hostelworld has got you covered. They offer a wide range of hostels, from basic dorms to private rooms. With thousands of hostels worldwide, you can find a place to stay without breaking the bank. Plus, hostels are a great way to meet other travelers and share experiences. Plus, you can read reviews from fellow travelers to ensure you're picking the right spot. Reviews can give you insights into the cleanliness, safety, and atmosphere of the hostel. Our third pick is Rome to Rio. This website is a lifesaver when it comes to figuring out how to get from point A to point B. This website is a lifesaver when it comes to figuring out how to get from point A to point B. It provides detailed information on various modes of transportation. Whether you're traveling by plane, train, bus, or even ferry, Rome to Rio offers all the options and costs. It helps you compare different routes and choose the most cost-effective one. It's a great tool for mapping out your journey and saving money on transportation. Number 4 is Couchsurfing. This platform is ideal for those who want to immerse themselves in the local culture. If you're really looking to cut costs, Couchsurfing connects you with locals who offer free accommodations. It's a fantastic way to save money and make new friends. It's not just about saving money though. Staying with locals gives you a unique perspective on the place you're visiting. You'll get to experience the culture firsthand and maybe even make some lifelong friends. Sharing meals, stories, and experiences with your hosts can be incredibly enriching. Last but not least, check out Thrifty Nomads. This website is packed with budget travel tips and guides. It's a treasure trove of information for anyone looking to travel on a budget. This website is packed with budget travel tips and guides. From finding cheap flights to budget-friendly destinations, Thrifty Nomads has all the insider info you need. From finding cheap flights to budget-friendly destinations, Thrifty Nomads has all the insider info you need. They cover everything from packing tips to how to save money on food and activities. It's like having a personal travel advisor in your pocket. The tips and tricks shared on Thrifty Nomads can help you make the most of your travel budget. So, there you have it, my top 5 websites for planning a budget-friendly adventure. These resources will help you save money and make your travel dreams a reality. Skyscanner for flights, Hostelworld for accommodations, Rome to Rio for transportation, Couchsurfing for free stays, and Thrifty Nomads for all the tips and tricks. Each of these websites offers unique features that cater to different aspects of budget travel. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing experiences. In fact, it often leads to more authentic and memorable adventures. With a little planning and these awesome websites, you can have an incredible journey without spending a fortune. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you on your next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more budget travel tips. Happy travels. Share your budget travel experiences in the comments below.